How do you separate your fingers like that?
I don't know. How do you not? Hi everyone, I'm Valerie, the kitchen writer for Reviewed. I'm here with
Lauren, I'm the community manager at Reviewed.
Today I'm going to show Lauren how to use chopsticks. To start, chopsticks are normally made out of bamboo. There are also metal chopsticks, like those ones are kind of pretty. Look at it. But there's also Japanese chopsticks, are pointier on the top.
I don't ever really use chopsticks. Whenever I go to any like Japanese, Asian, Chinese restaurants, I just go for the fork and the knife. But I don't know, I feel like it's something like this, maybe? Yeah. I can't maneuver that really well here. If I was trying to eat some rice, it wouldn't happen.
Like I'm no member of chopstick police. Like what I believe is whatever works for you, that's the right way for you to use chopsticks. But if you want to improve, we can get started with one chopstick.
Okay.
Imagine your chopstick is a pen.
Okay.
How would you hold it?
Like this.
Like this. You just like hold it naturally as a pen.
Okay.
And then you grab the other chopstick.
Mm-hmm. This is the part where it's gonna...
Yeah, and then you want to slide it through between your middle finger and ring finger all the way. Try to meet the tip of the other chopstick that's already there.
Okay. How do you, like...
Can you move it?
Nope.
You kind of use your index finger to tap in like a tapping motion.
How come yours looks a lot better than mine?
I feel like your index finger and the middle finger, they should work together.
Okay, so this should be like more separate.
Yeah, they should be like accompanying the first chopstick, like work together.
Oh my God. Okay, like this.
Like that.
Okay, this is better.
Okay.
Kind of. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you feel like you
more?
have a firm
Yes,
grip?
way more flexibility now.
Yeah. You
Okay.
have a grip on them.
I've got something here. Something's going on. Seems right.
Just in case, when you put them on, they're not aligned. Then an easy way to make sure they're aligned is to tap them on a flat surface.
Okay. Hopefully not a dirty table.
If you feel like you don't have a lot of control,
I feel like I need to
you can
move
up a little bit.
Let me see how that works. I also think the way I hold a pen might be a little bit off. Does this not make your fingers numb?
No.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh.
We're doing it.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay, are you ready for the
motion.
test?
I'm nervous, but okay.
So in the first test, we're going to try pick up some sushi.
You do it first. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go from a side angle.
Yeah.
Huh.
This is much easier.
Sushi. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Cheers. Okay, so that was test number 1.
I passed. I feel like a chopstick pro.
We'll see.
All right, how do you do a dumpling? How is this different than sushi?
So with sushi, you can kind of lift them up, like how you use forks. Dumplings, you can't really do that because, it doesn't come up.
Okay, so go from this angle.
Yeah.
How do you get the grip on it like that?
We're practically doing the same thing.
If I position, that's something right there. Can you not? You're making me look bad. Oh! I got it. I got it. All right, let's try and go for this one. This one's a big one. Oh, there we go. I think I'm getting better at it. Let's try one more. Let me just make sure I got it. This is easy. Guys, wow, I could do this all day. Oh, maybe not that one. Oh, yeah.
But, if things get really frustrating, there's always an option to stop it. Like what I do.
That's my technique. Yeah, I'm getting hand cramps.
Oh no.
Does it not hurt you?
No, not really.
I think we can count dumplings as passed. This makes me nervous.
Well, they are snacks.
Yeah.
Have you had them before?
I love edamame.
Oh.
Is this not edamame?
No.
What is it?
It's a wasabi piece.
Oh. Ooh.
Okay, there we go.
You just made it look so easy. Okay. This is the ultimate test. Oh, okay, nope. Let me even these out. I think that's the issue.
That's the issue, yeah.
Oh no, I thought I had that one. Can't skewer these. Ha! I'm having hand cramps. How do you like tighten it like that? Like how do you?
Tension is on the index finger.
Okay.
And you want to press it as hard as possible so there's very tiny gap between the two chopsticks.
Oh. Ah, I gotta pee. Let me try and do multiple. Oh, I got 2. Oh, now I have none, but. I was holding them around here, which makes it harder to really like get that closed grip. But if you hold them towards the end more, much more range of motion, I think. You're a great teacher.
Am I?
Yeah, look at this. Oh, not that. I feel like I've expanded a lot on my chopstick talents. I won't skewer anymore. I might.
Thank you for watching this chopstick tutorial. Please give us a thumbs up and comment below if you have more questions. If you want to watch more videos by Reviewed, please follow us. Subscribe.